A library quick guide to searching for ebooks. Ebook search. It would be useful to log into your college Gmail account before starting to search for an ebook, as that will make it quicker to access the book online. If you need to find a book you can read straight away, or you need to access books from home, search for an electronic version. While there's not an ebook version of every textbook in the libraries, we have a large range to choose from. So go to the search box at the top of your screen and type in your keywords. Then on the left of the screen, choose the Everything drop-down menu and select Online eBooks, and then click Search again. This will change the search results in the middle of the screen to electronic books only. It'll be a mix of ebooks ordered by the campus library and items preloaded from other databases. Click on any of the items to view content to access the book. If you want to pick a title that's been ordered by the library staff for a course, go to the top left of the results and click on GLLM Electronic Materials Library. The results window will now show books that have been requested for courses in college specifically, or from an All Wales FE College database. When you find a book you're interested in, click on the title and there'll be a link in the middle of the results page which will bring you directly to that ebook. Each ebook website will be organised in a slightly different way, but they'll all allow you to read online, download for a limited time, or print off up to one chapter. If you need more library resources and help, there are a few things you can do. You can go to the library YouTube channel and see more how-to videos. You can use the study guides in Moodle or the guides on the new Google Sites portal. You can email the library team at libraryroast@gllm.ac.uk, or you can send us a message on Twitter @Clondriflolib.